everyone, Tanya here from Beyond Generations Genealogy. Have you ever uploaded a photo into RootsMagic only to find it sideways or upside down? Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to rotate and fix those images so they'll display correctly in your family tree. Let's dive in. So I'm scanning in all these pictures. I've got one of Olga Besicki. Go to her media, and this photo is sideways. RootsMagic doesn't give us an option to just rotate the picture. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go into my File Explorer where my picture is held. Now, the ideal way to do this is when you scan in these pictures and you see that they are sideways, do this before you upload to RootsMagic. But I'm going to open my sideways picture of Olga. I'm going to rotate it so it's right side up, and then I'm going to do a very small edit. This is what changes the information in the photo to make sure that it is right side up when you import it into RootsMagic. So I'm going to make a very, very small edit. I'm just going to pull this down barely, just a little bit. Go to Save Options, Save. I've now changed the information in the picture. So when I go to upload this, so there's my original that was sideways. Now I'm going to upload the one that I just changed and saved. And there we go. Now it's upright. So it's just that small edit. Just make a teeny tiny little edit on the photo, save it, and then upload it into your RootsMagic. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly rotate your photos in RootsMagic and keep your family tree looking great. Remember, preserving your family history is important work, and even small improvements like properly rotated photos can make a big difference in how you share and enjoy your research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more genealogy tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or other genealogy or RootsMagic topics that you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Need help with your family history? At Beyond Generations Genealogy, we offer professional family history research, family history book creation, and photo restoration services to help you uncover and preserve your ancestors' stories. Check out the show notes or visit www.beyondgenerationsgenealogy.com to learn more. Thanks for watching and happy researching.